This is the last lesson in this unit, and it's solutions to solving equations. When you have been solving linear equations, the goal was to obtain a variable equal to a number, like x equals -3, 14 equals y, 8 equals a half, etc. You can check if your solution is correct by substituting into the original equation and getting a true statement. Solving one-step linear equations. The first example that I went over was x plus 56 equals 12, and we got x equals -44. If I plug -44 into the x, I get -44 plus 56 equals 12. -44 plus 56 is 12, so 12 equals 12, so that is a true statement, and it is correct. In the second lesson, the first example that I did was 3x equals -12. I seem to like 12. X equals -4. So I plug that in to the x in the original equation, and I have 3 times -4 is -12, and -12 equals -12. Your answer is correct. Solving two-step linear equations. The first example that I did in solving two-step linear equations is 4x plus 8 equals -12. I plug in a -5 because that's the solution that I got. So it has to work out. 4 times -5 plus 8 equals -12. So -20 plus 8 equals -12. -20 plus 8 is -12. I have -12 equals -12. My solution is correct. We went a little bit further in solving two-step equations where we had to simplify first on one side. So in this one, we had 4 times the quantity x minus 2 plus x equals 12. We came up with x equals 4. If I plug the x equals 4 into the x's, I have 4 times 4 minus 2 plus 4 equals 12. 4 minus 2 inside the quantity is 2. So I have 4 times 2 plus 4 equals 12, which makes 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 equals 12. Again, I have the correct solution. Solving multi-step linear equations. I do the same exact thing, but it's more important when you're solving multi-step linear equations because there's more steps to do that you may make a mistake easier. So it's important to check whether you have the correct answer or not in the end. And a little plus, don't say I told you this, but if you have a multiple choice question, you don't even have to solve the equation. You plug them in to the equation and find out which ones satisfy the equations, and that would be your answer. I didn't tell you that though. Okay, I plug in the 5 into the x, and I have 5 times 5 minus 8 equals 5 plus 12. 5 times 5 is 25, 25 minus 8 equals 5 plus 12. So 25 minus 8 is 17, and 5 plus 12 is 17, so 17 equals 17 is a true statement, so my answer was correct. The last one, I have 5 times x minus 1 plus 9 equals 2 times 3x minus 6. I plug in the 16 into the x, and I have 5 times 16 minus 1 plus 9 equals 2 times 3 times 16 minus 6. 16 minus 1 is 15. I have 5 times 15 plus 9 equals 3 times 16 is 48. 48 minus 6. 5 times 15 is 75 plus 9 equals 2 times 42. 75 plus 9 is 84. 84 equals 84. My answer is correct. So, to check if your solution is correct, by substituting into the original equation and getting a true statement.